Hey guys, so today I am showing you guys, I said guys twice, but I'm showing you how I created this creative look, which I know won't get as many views, probably because creative looks like these don't get as many views, like I just said. If you're interested in like seeing this creative look, I usually only do these for Instagram, but I really wanted to film it like that. Whenever I do post this on Instagram, I can link this and actually show you guys how I did this. So yeah, this is the look. If you want to see how to create it, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. This is the look. You already saw it in the intro. I am obsessed with it, to say the least. Like, honestly, it's so beautiful, and I've been dying to use these colors from the Jaclyn Hill palette. As you guessed, because I just said it, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this literally only uses 2 shadows. The only 2 shades I use are this one and this one over here. So let's get started. So we're starting with this matte turquoise kind of bluish shade, and I'm taking a Makeup Shack T70 blending brush. I like to first pack on the color. That's how I found blending is really easy, is to just pack on as much pigment as you want to and then focus on blending it out. And it's just going to go in the crease. What I'm going to do is pack on the pigment once again in the crease, just very concentrated. Next, I'm going to go into this dark matte green, and we're going to take this on a smaller brush. This is a Makeup Geek defined crease brush. It's like just a very small crease brush. And once again, the same method. We're going to first pack the color and then blend everything out. And then go back in with the previous brush without any product on it, just smoothly blend everything out. The less pressure you use, the easier your shadow will blend out, surprisingly. Also, I did not set my eyelids for this look. I really wanted everything to pop, and by not setting your eyelids, the pigment will be a lot more intense. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is take a Q-tip with a little bit of micellar water. Whoops. And I'm going to clean up kind of like the halo shape, just so that the concealer we put over top doesn't like change colors and turn green. It doesn't have to be exact yet. Don't worry about making it perfect. We just want to have kind of like a clean base for the concealer. So for concealer, I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape. I find that this is the most pigmented and high coverage concealer out there, so I love using this for my eye looks. And I'm taking a Colourpop concealer brush to do the halo eye part. So what I do is I first apply the concealer in the middle, and then I purposefully like tilt my head downwards so that it creases above that line. See how I like transferred a little bit above the line where it was before? So that is going to be our guideline as to where we want our halo eye to be. So then I'm going in with a clean finger and just kind of blending the edges out, because I find that if I use the brush, it just ends up adding more product, which is not what I want. So once I've done that is set the concealer part, and for this just take any white shade, any basic white shade will do, and just set everything in place. You can even use the white to sort of blend the edges together. To further blend the edges, take the dark green shade and start blending that into the concealer part. I know these looks seem repetitive, but just keep blending and they will come together. So once that is blended, I'm going to further define the halo eye cut crease kind of thingy with a very like tiny brush. This is from Morphe. I don't know what brush it is because I got it in a set. So I'm just taking a little bit of that dark green shade and kind of going around the halo part. And then going with the turquoise blue shade and really blend that line out as well. I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is white because I don't have white eyeliner, so this does it for me. I just put a little bit on the back of my hand, like in a small chunk, and take a very thin, precise brush and just kind of reinforce that halo line. So this is what I feel is the most exciting part, is the glitter. I'm just gonna show you a little bit from here. Hopefully it doesn't fall. The camera doesn't really pick it up, but it's like a chunky glitter with blue and green reflexes, as you can see on this eye. And this is from Super Glitters, just in case you were wondering. It's just $1 and it's stunning. So what I'm gonna glue this down with is the NYX Glitter Primer. So I'm putting just a bit of the glitter glue on my brush and kind of just doing a straight stripe down the middle of my halo eye. And then placing the glitter on top. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more glitter and placing this right underneath that white line. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take some, if I can find it, Lash Paradise by Loreal. I love this mascara so much. And I'm just going in with a thin coat just to prep for lashes. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do off camera is go ahead and apply some falsies and move on to the face. I applied the Morphe lashes in the style Romancing. They're definitely my favorite. Haven't used them in a video because I don't want to waste them, but I feel like these lashes would just suit this look so much. I just moisturized my face previously, so I'm not going to apply primer because I've realized I actually am wasting it and I shouldn't be doing that. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Foundation. Oh, I didn't wet my beauty blender. BRB. Back. So I just put a pump on the back of my hand. I'm going to start with one pump, which I don't think will be enough, but we'll see where it takes us. Surprisingly, there was no fallout in this look, and I packed the colors on so much, yet there was no fallout. I'm going to go in with another pump because that literally did nothing. Like, it did, but just like one side of my face. I went in with a third pump. I don't remember using this much. Maybe I'm just going for full coverage look today, but like always, I'm taking my concealer brush and going around my eyebrows. Now we're gonna move on to concealer. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's been a while since I've used this, to be honest. Now I'm gonna blend that out with my my Morphe sponge, sorry. For powder, I'm gonna be using the Coty Airspun powder. Just make sure to blend out the creases before setting anything on your face. And then I'm taking a big fat brush and setting everywhere else. I'm going in with Hoola by Benefit just to bronze up my face. Give it some more dimension and contour. I think I'm gonna go in with the highlight from Star Crush Minerals. This is in the shade Honeysuckle. It's not blue, but if you really stare at it, it kind of has like a blue reflex to it, which I find is really pretty, especially because it goes with this look. So I'm taking the Morphe Y14 highlight brush, and this shit is fucking blinding. Like, do you see that? I barely even touched my face. Okay, so all we have left is lips and the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, you guys know I just basically like to repeat whatever we did here underneath. I'm gonna take the first color that we took, which was the teal, like light bluish shade, and I'm just running that all throughout my lower lash line. And then closer to my lower lash line, I'm taking the dark greenish shade and just smoking that out as well. So for lips, I'm going in with the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Midi. And just to kind of mute it down a little bit and make it less pink, I'm going in with Chi by Colourpop as well. I'm just putting this like on the outer part of my lips. I'm blending it in with my finger. So that, I think, concludes this whole look. I'm so freaking proud of this look. It took me a while to film, but hopefully it's worth it. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this look. And yeah, here's just a little preview. I never do these, but like, it's worth it with this one. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like these videos, then please subscribe and give this a big thumbs up. And I will see you in my next one. Love you.